Yo, what's going on, guys? If you want the Arceus X mod menu for Roblox Mobile, just go ahead and watch this entire video, guys. I'm going to go ahead and explain exactly how to get this Arceus X mod menu, guys, and it has a lot of features that you guys are going to be finding amazing. Like, for example, you can get free Robux with this, and I'm talking like unlimited amount of Robux, guys, as much as you want. I've been doing it myself, and you never get banned because the Arceus X mod menu actually has an anti-cheat bypass tool. So Roblox has no idea that you're like basically modding and cheating with the mod menu. They will have no idea, and they will not be able to ban you guys. Trust me on this. I've been using it for over a year now, and I've never been banned. So also there is the speed hack. There's an auto clicker. You know, these are just some extra features that you guys might like a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like how to get this Arceus X mod menu on Roblox Mobile. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and hop into it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Alrighty, guys, so here we have the Arceus X mod menu right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys how it works. So it's gonna say like Arceus X Roblox mod menu version 3.8. modded by Axtrol, and as you guys can see, we've got the free Robux, speed hacks, God mode, anti-cheat bypass, and more. So we're gonna tap OK, and when you guys open it up, you will see this right here. And what we're gonna do, guys, is go ahead over to the Arceus X mod menu option. You will see it right there, guys. We're gonna tap on that, and it will say loading a mod menu, guys. So once we are here, we are going to go ahead and see this Arceus X mod menu, and it's gonna go ahead and show all of these functions that you guys can use. So we've got the speed hack, and these are just the most popular options. My favorite one, though, is the free Robux, because who does not want free Robux? Come on, guys. If you play Roblox and you don't want free Robux, you're crazy, man. That's probably the best feature out of all of them. With free Robux, you can get anything you want in Roblox. You know, you can get admin privileges. You can boost game servers and get like all of the perks that they give to their donators. You can get free clothes and all this stuff. So it is insane, guys. But now what I'm going to do is just show you guys exactly from step one how to go ahead and get this Arceus X mod menu onto your iOS and Android devices. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to do that. The first thing that we have to do, though, is just simply make sure that our device is compatible with the app install, guys. So to do this, we're going to have to change some settings really quick on our iOS device. If you're on Android, you don't have to do this step. You could skip it. But yeah, anyways, if you're on iOS, guys, like I said, let's go ahead and open up our settings. And what you're going to want to do is scroll down and find where it says battery. And then in battery, you're going to make sure that low power mode is turned off and that your battery percentage is at least 10%, guys. So as you can see, the battery percentage is on 10%, and we are good to go. And then what we're going to want to do, guys, is exit from here. And then we're going to scroll up a bit and go over to general. And then in general, you guys are going to want to get background app refresh, and just simply make sure that you have background app refresh turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, guys. So either one is fine, but just make sure you have it turned on to one of those, and then you should be good. And then what you're going to want to do is go on over to the about option right here, tap on it, and then just go ahead and make sure that your iOS version is above iOS 11, guys. So you got to be at least above iOS 11 for this to work. And then once you guys do that, that is going to be all the settings we have to change in general. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and scroll down to App Store. And then in App Store, we're going to scroll down again and select the offload unused apps option, and just make sure that we have it turned off, guys. So super important, make sure you have this turned off. And once you guys do that, we are going to go ahead and scroll down again all the way to, where is it? Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can find it. Safari. Okay, so this is the one you're going to want to find. Safari, select it, and then scroll all the way down again and go to Advanced. And then you're going to see JavaScript, right? And what you guys are going to do is just simply make sure that JavaScript is enabled. So yeah, guys, make sure JavaScript is enabled. And once you do that, you're going to be good to go. And then we can go ahead and exit from there. And that's going to be all the settings that we have to change on iOS and Android. And now we are ready to go ahead and download this Arceus X mod menu for completely free. So to go ahead and get it is simple, guys. You're going to open up your browser on your phone and go to this website, applucid.com. So this is the site we're going to type in, guys, applucid.com. You're going to tap go, and then it's going to go ahead and start loading, guys, and it will take you to this site right here, #1 tweaked app store for iOS and Android. And yeah, guys, basically it's an amazing app store. You know, it's easy to use, no jailbreak. They have amazing features and stuff like that. Even over 15,000 users daily, I believe. Yep, look at that, guys, and tons of app installs from them. So what you're gonna do once you guys load into the site is tap the proceed button, and then it's gonna go ahead and start loading this right here, as you guys can see. It's loading right now, and then we're just gonna go ahead and wait for it to load. As you guys can see, it's loading. So as you guys can see, it's loading right now, and let's just give it a second. And once it loads, guys, it's going to take you to this page right here, which is going to say, like, welcome to the Lucid Tweaked App Store. Enjoy access to the largest library of tweaked apps and games. Go ahead and just read what it says, how to install any app. Search for your app you're trying to get into the search bar. Then once you find it, tap the install button. And you're just going to tap on the search bar here at the top, guys. Type in Arceus X V3, and you will see it pop up, guys, just like that, as you guys can see. And yeah, now all you guys will do is tap the install button, and you'll be on your way to getting the Arceus X mod menu. Now, if you guys need help, just go ahead and tap right here, and there will be a tutorial explaining exactly how to go ahead and finish installing the app. And yeah, guys, that's going to be it for the video. Thank you, and enjoy it. Peace out, guys.